welcome back to my channel. So this is your teacher Kay, and for today's video, we're going to talk about Google Drive. Keep on watching! Paano natin mapupuntahan ang Google Drive? So dito po sa 9 buttons na nakikita natin sa upper right, click po natin yan. So here are the Google Apps available. Here, ito po yung Google Drive. Napakadami po niya na pwede nating i-discuss sa mga susunod natin na video. So click natin yung Drive. So Google Drive can be open to any Google account and of course to our DepEd account. So I'm going to start simple here. Kapag narinig niyo po ang salitang Google Drive, the most basic way to describe ay para siyang isang online cabinet. Ayan po. Marami kang pwedeng ilagay. Para din siya yung hard drive na ginagamit natin sa computer. But, it is a cloud-based. Pag sinabi po natin cloud-based, it means it exists online. So, kapag offline, hindi po natin ma-access ang Google Drive. Pero, ang kagandahan po nito, imagine natin kapag nasa office ka, you can upload a file into your Google Drive. And then, kapag ikaw naman ay nasa iyong bahay, open mo lang if meron kang internet access. You can open the same file that you have uploaded sa iyong office. So, it is accessible po wherever there is an internet. So, eto na yung ating Google Drive. So, pag pinindot po natin yung My Drive, makikita natin these are the basic functions of Google Drive. So, many of this can perform different function tools, just like Google Docs. Ito naman po yung counterpart ng ating Microsoft Office Word. We have Google Sheets, o yung tinatawag po nating Excel, Google Slides, PowerPoint. Ayan, Let's create new files. So here, new. So we can open different files like Google Docs, Sheets, and Google Slides. Let's open Google Docs. There you go. And then, let's have named it as my file number 1. So that's it. Let's upload. We have here file upload or folder upload. Let's try file upload. Ayan, na-redirect na po siya sa aking desktop, sa laptop. So let's try this file to be uploaded. Hand hygiene part 1. Let's double click. Uploading one item. And starting upload. So we can do also the uploading for a whole folder. Syempre, mas matagal lang po ang pag-upload kapag folder ang ating ginamit. I have mentioned to my previous video that you can upload files to our DepEd email account dahil unlimited po yung drive natin dito. So pagka ganun, by folder na po, hintayin lang po natin at ma-upload po yun. So ayan na po, one upload complete, hand hygiene part 1. To download the file, choose the file that you want to be downloaded and then right-click. Okay, look for download. Ito po. And then click natin. Ayan. So, yung mga file na hindi natin madalas nagagamit, minsan, biglang kailangan natin ng mga templates or kailangan natin ng file na yon. So, i-download lang ulit natin and then babalik naman siya sa laptop. Ito na po. Let us share a file. Right-click in the file that you wanted to be shared. Here. So, as you can see, we have preview, open with, share. Let's click share. And then, add the email address. And then send. Person added. Okay, and if you want to share a folder, let's try another one. For science reports, right-click, and then we have share. And then at the upper part, we have a sharing restrictions. So editors can change permission and share. So if you want the recipient to be a viewer only, choose viewer, and to organize, add, and edit files, you click editor, then send. So kaya po siya nagkakaroon ng share outside of organization. It is because the account that we are using is a DepEd account. But kapag ang gamit mo ay mga non-DepEd or mga Google account, wala na pong ganyan. Share anyway. So dito sa folder na to, yung recipient natin ng email, pwede niyang i-edit. Unlike kanina dun sa files, viewer, mabu-view lang niya yung ating files. Another thing, so let's try again this one. To right-click and then get shareable link. Kanina po ito ang pinipindot natin, yung share. Anong gamit naman itong get shareable link? If you want to another type of sharing in Google Drive, right-click. Kanina ito tayo, yung share. Now let's try get shareable link. Okay. So, eto na yung link. And then, meron ditong choices, restricted, Department of Education, or anyone with the link. So, etong anyone with the link, you can use it when you send a copy of a file that you are going to send to your student. So, let's say meron kang mga e-books dyan or mga test bank na kailangan or module na isi-send mo sa estudyante. So, you need to choose anyone with the link. Pero kung copy lang, like your sa co-teacher, pag restricted, kailangan pa niyang manghingi ng permission sa'yo kapag na-send mo na sa kanya and then may darating sa yung email and then i-admit mo yon or i-allow mo na makita niya yung file. Ito namang Department of Education, anyone with Google account or DepEd account. Kapag ang gamit niya is non-DepEd account, hindi din po niya ma-open. So, restricted siya for Department of Education. So, try natin anyone with the link. So, copy, link, and then let's open Messenger. Paste natin. So, send. So, ayan. So, yung bata na makaka-receive or dun sa, let's say, you are using group chat sa virtual classes mo, pwede nilang i-click yan. And then, right away, mapupuntahan nila yung link na folder or file na isinend mo na naka-link dito sa link na to. So, done. Maraming salamat po at sinamahan niyo akong muli sa isa na namang episode. This is your Teacher K na hindi magsasawang magsabi na never stop learning. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you and bye-bye!